Introducing the JOYOR S10-S electric scooter, the ultimate ride for those who crave adventure and freedom. With a high-capacity 60V18A battery and dual 1000 motors, the S10-S offers up to 85 km of exhilarating travel on a single charge, reaching speeds of up to 65 km. Crafted with simplicity and durability in mind, the S10-S features an aerospace-grade aluminum frame and a sleek geometric design that prioritizes usability and style. Our experience-controlled acceleration and enhanced safety with the S10-S's ultra-bright headlights and shock-absorbing tires, providing a smoother ride on any terrain. Enjoy longer rides with less fatigue, thanks to cruise control technology and a multifunction color LCD dashboard that keeps you informed and in control at all times. Join the adventure with the JOYOR S10-S electric scooter. Click the link in the description to order yours today.